Hello everyone, welcome to HRpreparation.com, India's first online institute for HR competitive exams. Today we are going to discuss about IBPS Mains SO HR previous year paper analysis. Here you can find 5 different year previous papers, including very recent paper from Bank of Maharashtra. Why we added Bank of Maharashtra here? The Bank of Maharashtra SOHR was conducted by IBPS. So the exam pattern may be different, but the question pattern may similar to the upcoming exam. So that is the reason we added this Bank of Maharashtra SOHR paper here for your practice and understanding. As you know that IBPS conducts SO exam in every year. So it's yearly once and it consists of 2 different patterns like prelims exam and mains exam. This is about mains exam. In mains exam, there are 60 questions for 45 minutes. Let's jump into the previous paper analysis part. In column part, the first column you can find questions from. It means questions from the main topic and subtopic. So each main topic is divided with their subtopics. So you can find what are the subtopics under the main topic, as well as you can find in the row the years. So the papers from the particular respective years. We've covered from 2017 to 2021. Let us discuss about Bank of Maharashtra Specialist Officer 2021. Bank of Maharashtra Specialist Officer was conducted very recently by IBPS. Now we are going to discuss about Bank of Maharashtra Specialist Officer 2021 previous paper analysis. So there were 50 questions only, and so we bifurcated here the topic and main topic wise questions. So how many questions were asked from the each subtopic and from the main topic also. If you take here from the management, so there were 4 questions from management. So 2 questions from functions of management and 1 question from the business statistics and research methodology, 1 question from the strategic management. Coming to the human resource management, so there were 4 questions were asked from human resource management. 1 was from job analysis, 2 were from recruitment and selection, 1 from HR audits and accounting. So these are the number of questions from the human resource management. Coming to human resource development, from the HRD, so there were 5 questions were asked, 3 questions from the performance appraisal. So all the times you can find most of the questions from the performance appraisal. Then training and development, 1 question from the career management. So these are the 5 questions from the human resource development. Coming to OB, organizational behavior. So there were 8 questions from the organizational behavior. Here the OB also plays very crucial role in all previous paper exams. So now we can expect more questions from the OB even. Then here you can find 4 questions were from the motivational theories. 1 questions from the individual behavior and group behavior. 2 questions from the leadership theories. So the motivational theories and the leadership theories. So why we are talking about the number of questions from the each subtopic? So you need to focus more on these particular subtopics. So then only you can go forward for the other topics. So this analysis will help you to understand where to focus more. Means, so where we need to spend more time and what are the topics we have to cover first as a priority. Coming to the industrial relations, from the industrial relations there were 4 questions. So each question from the 1 question from the grievance and discipline, collective bargaining, settlement dispute, workers' participation in management. So these are the 4 questions were asked from the IR. Coming to the labor legislation part, so there were 4 questions from labor legislation part, 1 from the principles of labor legislation, 2 from the constitutional provisions. So you know those articles and all. And 1 question from the wage theories. So these are the subtopics covered under labor legislation. Labor welfare and market. So there were only one question asked from the labor welfare and market from the labor economics. So one question from the labor economics, that is under labor welfare and market. Coming to the labor laws. There were 20 questions asked from the labor laws. One from ES Act, one from Payment of Bonus Act, 7 from Industrial Dispute Act. So see here, most of the time you can find in from all the years. So there were the maximum questions from the Industrial Dispute Act. So we need to focus on Industrial Dispute Act. One from Trade Union Act, one is from Minimum Wages Act, one from Maternity Benefits. So one question from the Payment Wages Act, EPF Act, but here 2 questions from the Payment of Gratuity. One from the Standing Orders, 3 from the Factories Act 1948. As per this year paper 2021, so we need to focus where we need to focus from the labor laws. From the labor laws, we need to focus on Industrial Dispute Act. Second is the Payment of Gratuity Act, and third one is the Factories Act 1948. So we should not ignore any of the labor laws because we don't know so how many questions can be asked from each respective labor law. But this is based on this analysis of the previous purpose, we can understand where we need to focus more. So then you can understand, one is the Industrial Dispute Act, second is Payment of Gratuity Act, third one is Factories Act 1948 and other acts also. So one questions from the each act, it means so we need to focus there also. This previous paper analysis will help you to crack your exam because this is the actually basic idea on the exam and the question pattern. So if you understand the questions from which topic, more questions from the which topic, then only you can understand and you can focus on it more. So then you can spend more time and you can understand it more. Then only you can able to answer the question in the real-time exam. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hope this video is very helpful for your preparation. If you like this video, please share with your friends and share in your WhatsApp group, Telegram groups, wherever you are in social media. Thank you very much for watching this video.